Hello, I am Abhishek, and in this video I will be taking you through the ins and outs of the application IndependentEar that I have started only a few weeks back. This application is a part of my internship with the company IndependentEar. The company deals with the musicians who wants to release their albums or their singles in music stores, and they want their music to reach the common people. They can request the company to organize events and distribute merchandise among the general population. So any new band can register with the company, and the company takes the responsibility of doing all sorts of work for the band. So as per the design which I thought would be good to use, since I am designing and developing the application entirely on my own, I used the company logo on the home page, and as you can see that we have a small music player integrated with the company logo. This is because the company has a list of compilations of all the songs that are sung by the artists who are engaged with the company. So there are some PHP scripts that I have written on the server side. These PHP scripts are just written, but the MySQL database is not yet been populated, so I don't have the data right now, but this is just sort of a layout kind of thing. And the user can click on this next and the previous button to play next and previous songs, and as you can see that I have added some rotation animations to these two clicks. So this rotates in a clockwise direction, and this rotates in an anti-clockwise direction, giving a sense of the next and the previous music to be played, whereas this card in here displays the name of the artist who had written and sung the song, and the name of the song as well as the time that the song takes to complete. There is a links menu item at the top, which when clicked uses the material design reveal view effect to give the user a list of all the social channels that IndependentEar has accounts with. So you can click back on this to hide the view. So this is all about the home screen, and we have the navigation drawer in here, which has 8 different items, out of which only the artists have data in it, whereas all these other items are blank, so you will see a blank white page. So I have basically used the fragment based architecture in here, where all of these are fragments, and you can click on this artists link to view all the artists that are affiliated or that are engaged with the company. So this is a recycler view with a grid layout manager pattern, where each grid has an image view and a text view. All these images, these texts, and there are several other datas that I am populating by consuming the RESTful APIs that I have written on the server side. So here again I am using HTTP volley, where I use the image request for the image, and I use the JSON object request for all the text data that I have, or all the links that I want the users to visit or stuff like that. So moreover, I have used a palette in here. So the palette uses the muted color rather than the vibrant color to give a nice effect along with the image. So let's just click on one of the artists and see what they have in store for us. So if I click on this artist, I have used the 2 different transition effects that material design has introduced, that is the shared element transition and the content transition effects. So as you can see, this particular image is being shared within the views, whereas all the item below the image is following the content transition. So you can click on this image to find more about the artist, about their social links they are registered with, and find out more stuff about them. I have used a collapsing toolbar layout so that I can achieve a nice parallax image effect with this scroll, and as you can see, the rest of the items scroll nice and smooth beyond the action bar. This particular black thing is a fragment in here which plays the YouTube video of any of the albums released by these artists. So I have used the YouTube API to play the YouTube video for that particular band, where I am getting all these links from that JSON object request that I talked about. So you can play this and you can pause this. I have not given the option for full screen activity to make this video into a full screen. So oops, I'm sorry. So you can just play this, and whenever you want you can pause it back. The releases data is blank, it's kind of not filled in, and this is the biography of each of these band. So you can click them back and you can see how the content transitions and shared transitions behave. This is same for all of the artists. So yeah, that's more of it. Here also I have used the same palette to get the color with the respective images, and that's pretty much it. Let's see if I missed something. I don't think so. So as you can see, rest all of these fragments are just empty white fragments, blank. There is lots more to come in this, as I have just started with it. So I will be adding some more videos in the coming days, giving more insights of the other features this app has to offer. Thank you for watching the video.